Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening Kibana. Make sure Elasticsearch is healthy so logs are indexed. Once done, log in with an account that can view indices and discover. Navigate to the Kibana URL and choose the correct space if your deployment uses spaces. You do this because without proper access or index data, Discover won't show entries. After logging in, go straight to the Discover app to begin selecting the index pattern that contains your logs. You now refine what you see. Choose the index pattern that stores your logs. This tells Kibana which indices to query. Next, set the time picker to the period you need, recent minutes, hours, or a custom range, because time range is the primary limiter for results. Then build a KQL query or add visual filters to include or exclude fields like host, log, level, or message. Make sure to click Refresh. You'll see matching documents, populate the table and histogram. You finish by inspecting individual log documents to view field-level data and related context. Expand the JSON view when you need raw payloads. Once satisfied, save the query or create a saved search so you can reuse it in a dashboard or alert. If results are absent, check the index management to confirm indices exist and are not closed, review mappings, and validate your ingestion pipeline. Also verify timestamps and time zone handling. If problems persist, reload the index pattern and recheck privileges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.